Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can deal with the MySQL and create the database using some basic things like not we are not using any commands right now. Just by clicking some buttons, how to create the database, how to means manually. First, I'm going to show you how we can do it manually. Okay. First, the thing is that we have to run the SAMP. This I'm going to run in admin mode because sometimes it may give error. Better you install it in admin mode also. Okay, like a serial number, username, email ID, password, registered date, created at and updated at. We are going to take like a 7 columns I need. So it is taking 7 column now. So first thing is serial number, SL number I'm going to take. It will be integer, but the thing is that I am going to select this as a auto increment. Okay, so it will be taking automatically a primary key. Length we can take as 10. Next we'll take a username. Username. It will be a variable characters like the letters we are going to add. We can add numbers also. So I will take it as a 25. And default, if we want to create any default value, then directly it means that if you select as null whenever you are going to insert any data, this this column will be taken and inserted as a null. If I select any defined, if I add a 0 or 0 1 sorry, any value, that will be taken there. So I will take it as none, and this is all. Okay, next email ID. This also I'm going to take it as a variable characters. 50 I will add. Password, variable character. Status, integer. See here, if active user, we are going to insert 0, and if we are blocking that user, okay, it comes under the front end and back end development, where we are monitoring the status and allowing user and blocking. For that purpose, we can take it as defined. I will take it as 0, and the value will be 2, and created at this. I'm going to take it as a date and time, and here I have to select as the current timestamp and updated at updated at. This is all about the data for each row. how many columns. I'm going to save this now. Please enter the value length for which it is asking. Okay, password I have to add like 10 digit. 10 digit is the maximum length. It doesn't mean that you have to add 10 digits only. If you are adding any data, so we have to enter 10 digits or up to 10 digits maximum we can enter. If we enter 11, then it will not work. So this is the SQL structure like table, user table. So I will click on user table. See, this is the structure over here. Serial number it is taking as the primary key. Auto increment is set, and username, email ID, password, status, created, updated, everything is added over there. Now I'm going to add the data. Okay, insert the data. It will allow me the input fields where I'm going to add the details to add the data. So it will always continue with 2. So if I select with 1 and press tab or anywhere, click anywhere, so it will take only one value. If I add 4, if I want to add 4 data and press enter, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here. So now I will add only one data to show how it will work. Okay, serial number I am going to keep it blank. I am not going to add anything there because it is the primary key. Okay, username I am going to add it as Vilas Patil. Email ID is vilaspatil.triple@gmail.com. Password will be 1234567 8. It is by default it is taking 0. These are the timestamps, automatically it will be added. So go. I will click on go. So here we can see the data is added. Okay. Now if you want to add some more data, then this command you can use to add the data. Okay. This I am going to copy this. I am going to copy this. Okay. SQL beautifier. Okay, this is one of the technique. If you don't know the command, you start with the manual entry and you will get the code over there. And the same code you can use it to add some more data. Like this is the data. Okay, now if I want to add some more data, like I will run the SQL query now. Okay, select all, paste, insert into in user table. These are the features, like these are the titles for the columns: serial number, username, email ID, password, status, created at, updated at, and the values are like this. Okay, this I'm going to store it as a null auto increment. So this I will change now. Rakesh Patil. Rakesh, and I'll click on go. So this is the one value. So if I want to add one more, then this I want to add it as a comma and select this detail, copy and paste over here. Vikram So now I have added two values. Okay, just I will click on go. Here I added a comma. At the end I have not added comma because and we are not going to close this. So here if we select user table and okay, ta-da. This is serial number I have added null because it is the primary key and auto increment is set. So 1, 2, 3, and these are the details. First time I added only one column, one row, and two rows through the command SQL query I have added there. So these are the created at and updated at. So if I want to update the uh, table update and delete I'm going to show in next table, next query. So how we can delete the command, delete the rows, and how to adjust the row numbers and all, what are the conflicts and consequences will be arriving if we do any mistakes and all. So my kind request that if you want to learn something about this, see, I'm going to tell you openly that I don't know the coding and all. So how I am learning, how I'm going to share the details, how I will understand the features and all, each and everything I'm going to share with you. And without wasting your time, I will conclude this video. And one kind request to you that kindly share, follow, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.